The great thing about digital marketing is that it allows us to reach our audience at scale quickly. The downside of digital marketing is that I have to create updates to my 2-Minute Tip Tuesday because the tools and technology are constantly advancing. And on today's TMTT episode, I'm sharing with you an Instagram update that makes LinkTree an irrelevant product for your Instagram marketing. Hello and welcome to another episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, where we share marketing tips and strategies to help real estate agents and mortgage lenders grow their business. So a few months back on an episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, I answered a question that I was getting asked about quite a bit. How does using LinkTree in your Instagram bio impact your SEO? The answer is it doesn't hurt it, but it doesn't help your SEO either. And my recommendation was to use a landing page on your website to host your links instead of LinkTree in order to maximize your SEO. I still stand by that recommendation as a good practice. However, you no longer need to because of an update that Instagram released this year. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let me explain. So the whole benefit to using LinkTree is to overcome the hurdle of Instagram allowing us to host only one link in our bio. With LinkTree, we have the ability to use a landing page as a way to direct people to our other social media profiles in our website directly from a LinkTree link in our Instagram bios. The downside of this is that LinkTree acts as a barrier for any SEO that we would get from our Instagram account. You see, anytime you can link between social media profiles and your website, as little as a benefit as it may be, it does help increase your SEO and help search engines connect your brand to people who are searching for your services online. But LinkTree disrupts that signal and basically takes any SEO benefit that you would receive. So basically, what it comes down to is that you want to send signals between your social media accounts and your website using direct links without any disruption in order to maximize the performance of your SEO. And Instagram has always made that challenging for us by allowing us to only include one link in our bios. And that is until now. After 13 long years, Instagram now allows us to host up to 5 links in our bio. When you click on your profile picture from the bottom right of your Instagram screen and then click Edit Profile, you will see a prompt for links. This is where you can add up to 5 links to your Instagram profile. Now, this may seem like a subtle update, but I actually think it's a pretty big deal because it means you don't have to waste money on the added expense of LinkTree, and you can direct people to other sites directly from your bio without any third-party platforms stealing your SEO. So if you're still using LinkTree in your Instagram bio, my question to you is why? As always, if you have any questions about this tip or any other tip, please leave those in the comments below, and I will make sure to respond to each and every one of them. I really appreciate you all for tuning in, and I'll see you right here next Tuesday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time for another 2-minute tip. Have a great week, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Make sure you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes R.E.A.L YouTube channel for more great content to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business.